Today I will share 5 hidden tips and tricks for QuickTime Player that you might not know. So let's start with tip number 1. Most of us know that we can trim video or audio files using the keyboard shortcut Command plus T. But this only allows trimming from the beginning or end of a clip. What if you need to cut out a section from the middle? Well, it's actually quite easy. For example, if I want to remove this arrow and circle from my video, I would first go to the point where I want to start the cut and then press Command plus Y to make the first cut. Next, move to where you want the cut to end and press Command plus Y again. This will make the second cut. Now, simply select the part you want to remove and hit the delete button. Simple. In tip number 2, we will learn how to remove a specific section of audio from a video. Command plus E to display the clip and Command plus U to reveal the audio track. Now to remove a particular dialogue, drag the red line to the start or end of the audio and press Command plus Y to create a cut. Repeat this process on the opposite side to isolate the unwanted section. Finally, select the unwanted audio and hit the delete button. Please note that deleting the audio will also remove the associated video clip. In tip number 3, I will show you how to replace the audio in a video file using QuickTime Player. First, open the video file you want to edit. Then, go to the Edit menu and select Remove Audio. This will strip the current audio track from your video. Return to the Edit menu, hold down the Option key and choose Add Clip to Beginning. Now, select the new audio file from your computer. Once the new audio file is added, save the video with the updated audio track. In tip number 4, I will show you how to extract or copy text from a video file. First, open the movie file in the QuickTime Player and pause the video at the point where the text appears. Now, click on this button, select the text, copy the text, and paste it wherever you need. It's that simple. In tip number 5, I will demonstrate 2 ways to convert a video file into audio using QuickTime Player. First, open your video file. Then, either go to the Edit menu and select Remove Video or navigate to the File menu and choose Export as Audio Only.